Hey y'all, we are coming to you from the now empty Elkhart campground, and we have an amazing rig that normally we don't do multiple reviews back to back, but this one warranted it. It's the Alta
3100K XT.
So y'all are going to want to see this. It is a travel trailer that if you didn't know it was a travel trailer, you would swear it's a fifth wheel.
Yeah.
So stand by and we'll be right back with that one. All right, so this is the new Alta EXTREME. That's a king size bed. I mean, look at that. It's got cabinets galore up top. 2 windows. I like the fact that they don't have the side bolsters on it. You've got cubbyhole USB power. Those are some deep cabinets. That goes all the way through. That's not blocked. This ceiling height is, you can't really see it in the video. Let me see if I can get it in here where Maria's at. This thing, it's got to be 9 feet tall. I mean, Maria's 5'7", 5'8". I mean, that is just huge. This is your kitchen. The cabinets go all the way up to the top. It's just, this thing is, it's really, really big. For a travel trailer, if you're a couple and you don't want a fifth wheel, this is the way to go. It's got a residential stove and oven, 12 volt Everchill refrigerator. Refrigerator is massive, again 12 volt, 2 freezer pull-out drawers. And this is what just got me here. This is a built-in workspace, but hold on, just like ShamWow, there's more. It's got a bunk on a system that comes down. So built-in work, built-in drawers. So bunk bed 1 is going back up into storage. It's got latches right there. I don't know the lights, I don't know where it's at. This, now you've got your desk space. That goes up.
Easy peasy.
That is genius. Bathroom is really big. Look at the head space above that shower door. I'm 6'1", and I can barely touch the If you can't shower in this, you need a swimming pool. I mean, that's huge. It's got good storage underneath the sink. Commode's in an appropriate place. Again, your heat vent is not in the floor. You've got this area for towels. And I mean, that's big. The medicine cabinet, massive. So if you didn't already have enough storage, this is the pantry area. That just goes up and up and up. This is behind a door that is behind the fireplace and the TV. And you've got the other side, the slide out, that has nice theater seating. It's a nice center console. And then you've got your dinette booth style that will turn into a full bed. And then right beside that, you've got even more storage. That is not weak on storage. And because the ceilings are so tall, it makes the storage just massive, which means the windows are bigger. It also comes with on-demand water heater. Has the Furrion AC systems in it. Those are your vent fans, and of course it's a standard sink that I think is in all 4 Strivers, and we actually love the sink and love the faucet.
East to West has a bunch of new models for 2024.
Yes.
This is one of them, and there's another one that has a bed slide. And I'm telling you, this rig is bigger than ours on the inside.
It is. It's bigger than our fifth wheel.
Which is crazy, but it's awesome. Wish this had been around when we bought our first one, because I don't know, maybe not. Maybe we wouldn't have ended up with the fifth wheel, but
I can tell you this. If you work on the road and you want a full king bed master suite in an RV, but you also want to be able to work with a full desk that you could potentially convert into a bunkhouse, this is your rig.
yeah. And if you don't have the towing capacity for a fifth wheel, here you go.
Which, check out East to West, because they're getting ready to release the Blackthorn half-ton towable fifth wheel that, again, is probably almost as big as our own rig.
So as you can see, the travel trailer pretty much speaks for itself. The tall ceilings,
it's got to have 9-foot ceilings.
I mean, the floor plan, everything is just amazing on this thing.
It's probably the best travel trailer that I think we have seen, and for certain the only one that if we had to get rid of our fifth wheel, that's the travel trailer we would buy.
Absolutely. So that'll wrap up this week's video on the Alta, and we will see you next week on our Road Less Traveled.
So y'all, hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.